Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of communities inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, there was a new feature that was literally just released. I think it was either today or it was yesterday. It was like yesterday night. That basically made it possible for people to go and subscribe to different groups that you have enabled or set up inside of your community. Basically, what I mean by that is just make sure that your public or your community is set to public there and live, and then the group itself is set to open, so that way anybody can join from the actual community tab there. If you do not have those two things turned on and set to open, you will not actually be able to see anything, or your customer won't be able to see anything on their end. Now, with those two enabled, we can actually go to the community tab, and from this view, I can see all of the groups that are currently available to me. And if I wanted to join one, all I have to do is click on one directly, and then click on join group right over here. Right, just like that. I will then be added as a member inside of this community, and I can go in and comment. I can like. I can interact with any post there, and that's basically it. Now, just to recap what we covered here, if you have a community where you want people to go in and join certain groups and interact with your content on their own, you can do so. You can allow them to do so by making your groups public, and then from there they can go in and subscribe to those groups on their own side. And that's basically it. Nothing too crazy. There's nothing you have to do again to enable this on the back end. It is automatically already turned on. Alrighty, that is it. Hopefully this was helpful. I just want to make sure that you are aware that this is even a possibility inside of the platform here. If you have any further questions around the community or just ClickFunnels 2.0 or Classic, just let us know down below and we'll point you in the right direction. Otherwise, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next video.